Hi, I'm Jimmy. In this video, we're looking at the stock market and how overvalued is it today? Or is it overvalued? Or how is it happening? So, on the Investors Grow website, we do these live streams each week where we talk about the different macroeconomic environments, we build portfolios, things like that. But one of the charts that I put together the other day when we were talking about how overvalued is the stock market, well, what I did is I went and grabbed the PE ratio for the S&P 500 going back the past 30 years. This is what that chart looks like. And as we can see, it is certainly on the high end right now. Right now, it's about 28 to 29x. Now, you might have seen that over the past 100 years or so, the average is about 19, 20x. So clearly up at 28 to 29x, it is quite high. So here's where it gets really interesting. The S&P 500 is a market cap weighted index, which basically means the bigger the market cap of the company, the more the weighting that company gets in the S&P 500. In fact, on the Investors Go website, when we punch in a S&P 500 ETF like VOO as an example, well, here we can see the top 10 holdings for VOO, which is the S&P 500. Well, we could see that adds up to almost 40%. So 10 companies account for 40% of the S&P 500. That's simply outrageous how big that is. That means 490 companies are falling into the other 60%. So 490 in the other 60%. So in theory, if these companies are overvalued, and looking at the list, a lot of them are, if these companies are overvalued, it could in theory tilt the entire market. What if we switch over to an equal weighted index? So we go over to the S&P 500 equal weighted index, where instead of tilting it by market cap, we show the PE ratio as if all the companies were about the same weight. Well, look at how unique or how different this price to earnings chart now looks. In fact, when I overlay those two on top of each other, you can see that while yes, the traditional market cap weighted PE ratio looks very high right now compared to the past 20 or so years. Right now, the equal weighted index does not nearly look as overvalued. And that simply tells me that it is the top half, not even the top half, the top 10% of companies that look like they're significantly more overvalued, which tells me that there's got to be a lot of opportunities, a lot of undervalued investment opportunities in the bottom half. So if you have any good ideas for companies that we should do an analysis on, I'm trying to do more and more company analysis to try to find as many good investment ideas. And of course, I'll share you with them before I jump in and buy any myself. But I'm trying to do as many as I can, as quickly as I can, because I do think that there's an opportunity right now. And I need to diversify my portfolio a bit. So if you have any good ideas, please let me know in the comments below. I'll let you know as I come up with any. And if you want to sign up to get access to the Investors Grow website, I'll leave a link right here, link in the description below. And thank you so much for sticking with me all the way to the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.